Mystery parcels times. Yeah. Got an idea what's in this. Hiya guys, Terry for Smoo's Watch up here. I've got an idea with this because of the return address. Got a parcel in the post this morning. I haven't ordered anything. And I have a sneaking suspicion that it might be something I want off of an e-model stream. Let's have a look in. On the Monday. I'll take it off the table. Let's see what we've got. Yeah. Oh, it's from e-models. Yes. What have we got? What have we got? Oh, a big box. Oh, yay! I've won a thing. Yay! And some stickers. Yes, I've won a. Now what is it? A Kovazavody Prostov, a premium kit of the Sukhoi, I don't know, SU-25K. I'm not an aircraft builder, so it's in a massive 1/48 scale. Ooh! And it's a rather unusual looking plane with a kind of a shark's mouth type affair in the front. So what's it got on the side? The North Korean. Ooh! Kim Jong-un's styley there. Construction kit contains one complete plastic model. Glue and paints are not included. Small parts, sharp edges. And on that side, yeah, it's a rather weird looking aircraft. It's also got one of the Ukrainian Air Force. Yeah, that's a skill level 3 apparently. So let's have a wee look. So yeah, this is what I won off of the e-models feed on the Monday. Ooh. There appears to be more stickers. A bag of this photo etch stuff. Let's have a little look in this little bag. Is it an easy to open bag? It is. It's one of those. Sorry for all the rustlings. Let's see what's all in here. There appears to be quite a few things in here. I've not built an aircraft for 35 years and nor have I heard of this company before. So what's all in here? There's a bag of clear parts, and I'm not going to take them out of the bag, but they don't look too bad optical clarity wise. Oh, the actual instrument panel's clear as well. So there we go, we've got some clear parts. There's a little frame of photo etch, very nice, with the instrument layout in the cockpit and everything. It looks like pedals and looks like photo etch seat belts, other bits for the cockpit. So it's got a little fret of photo etch in, and oh, this looks like a little decal set as well for the instrument panel. Very nice. What else does it give me? It gives me some decals for denoting the country. What's this? This is interesting. This looks like masks. It's a mask set for the cockpit. So it comes with a mask set as well. Ooh. It looks like masks for wheels or something like that. So it's got a mask set in it. And is this another mask set? I'm not quite sure. I think that's showing me what the mask set is. But that looks like a mask set. And then there's a really weird, funky looking shark's mouth. And lots of decals. Don't know what they're going to be like to put on. They look quite thick. There's quite a large carrier film on them. And then all the decals. Oh, stencils. Stencils. Are they water slides or are they stencils? Well, it says stencils. But yeah, all the decals in the world there. And then the instructions, which are in a few languages. And they're all, they're nice in colour. So in colour looks pretty straightforward. Build it all up. all the ordnance and all that sort of thing. I haven't got a clue about that. Where all the popiski or stencils or water slides go, there appears to be a lot. Now, I've been told this is the the Russian version of the A-10 bomber. So yeah, they don't really give you a lot of colours. It's just like, yeah, mid-grey, dark grey, light blue, mid-green, if you're going that one. And it looks like they're going on the Humbrol colours, so I may have to do a bit of a conversion on that. So there's that version, there's that version. Oh, there's another version. And another version, checks. So it gives you a few versions. And some of the rest of the family of planes. So okay, so that's cool. So that's all in that bag. So I was quite surprised that we've got a mask set with it, a little bit of photo etch, some clear parts. I'll just put them safely off to the side just now. It's not an inbox review. It's just I've not done a plane for ages, and just want to see how big this thing is. Ahaha! So there's another big bag. That I'll need to, oh God, bring the camera back a bit, Terry, that thing's huge. Let's just have a little look in the bag. Where did I put my knife of stabity? There it is. Let's have a little look in this bag. I'm not going to pull them all out, but let's just have a little look at it for the size. It's quite a substantial aeroplane. It's a good 300mm long, or 30cm. Looks quite a nice mould. It's got a wee bit of damage at the bottom there. But there you go. That's just stuff rubbing about maybe. Seems to have recessed panel lines and rivet detail. And of course that goes right across the top. And the sprue gates are undercut, which is quite nice. The plastic looks alright. There's no loads of flash in it. There's little bits on the sprue, but I mean, you don't worry about that too much. So yeah, I can see if I need to do any sanding on this, I'll need when I join it together. I might need to do a little bit of rescribing and that. But a big aircraft. And there's another 2 packs of sprues. This one's obviously got the wings and some of the pods and the wing mounts. And this one appears to be all the engines. Yeah, all the engines and stuff. So yeah, quite an impressive box of plastic. So thanks very much, E-Models. I won that on the Monday night live stream. So yeah, I'll have fun building that. As I say, I've not done an aircraft for 35 years, so just a bit of fun. So yeah, I won something. So as always, look after yourselves and happy modelling. Bye.